Total distance covered by a vehicle. To create an AI Connect program to find the total distance, create a project. In this project, create a basic coding activity. Then follow the given steps. Here, the speed of the vehicle is 40 km per hour and time taken to cover journey is 120 minutes to find the total distance covered in kilometer. We can change the values in this program. Hint: convert minutes into hours. Step 1. Print the information for the readers and define a variable speed and set its value to 40. Block code. Textual code. Step 2. Give the information to the readers. Block code. Textual code. Step 3. Create the variable time and provide the information as given above. Block code. Textual code. Step 4. Define a new variable converted time to store the value of 120 minutes changed into hours. Block code. Textual code. Step 5. To print the converted time, follow the given instructions. Block code. Textual code. Step 6. Apply the formula to find the distance, speed multiplied by converted time using the math block. Block code. Textual code. Output.